Greetings. Welcome. I'm Webbs, and we're here to study up, to learn, to test all of these Melee players and understand who is the best of the best. Because you may think you're here for a Melee tournament, but we're actually here to send you to that giant GameCube controller that we launched into space permanently. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
HBox is currently studying on his phone.
I'm studying on my phone.
I like
Just so
that.
Chad knows.
The rules are going to be simple. We all have a whiteboard. We all have markers. I'm going to give you a question, and you are going to write down your answer. I'm going to probably limit it on time, but you're all very smart, so I understand that.
Don't say that.
That's
not.
I believe in you.
I'm a
moments before
genius.
disaster. I hope you get last.
I'm a genius.
Everyone's ready? Question number 1. List all of the planets in the solar system from closest to the sun to the farthest in order.
Oh my fucking god! I
Go.
did not think I was on this one. Okay.
Interesting decision making here on how some of these people are utilizing the whiteboards. Hungry Box appears to be almost finished. Cody wrapping his up. Ralph, unsure. When you're finished, please flip your whiteboards over in your lap so as not to encourage cheating between the contestants. Oh, the right couch is looking good.
Yeah. Oh.
2, and Ralph, are you finished?
Yeah.
Go ahead and flip your whiteboard over. The correct answer that we are looking for: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Oh,
Yeah. I put it's a dwarf planet in parentheses. In
Dwarf
case.
planet.
Yeah.
I'll give you a bonus point. You went the extra mile.
Can I
How about
get that
on
one
the side?
again? Can you read that again?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Uranus, Neptune.
Uranus, Neptune. Ralph?
I got Neptune and Uranus in the wrong order.
Oh, unfortunate.
I put a question mark beside Pluto. That's got to count, right?
Yeah, like I said, Pluto's bonus points.
But you want this?
Is it bonus points or not? Because I should get a bonus
Mercury,
point
It's bonus points, Juan.
Venus, Earth,
Nice.
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune,
Clear
Pluto.
those boards off, gentlemen.
Oh wait, do I get a?
Do you not have an eraser?
Nah, it's okay. I'll take Ralph's.
Oh, yeah,
Let me cheat off you, man. It's cool.
All right, there you go.
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
Oh, off to a great start.
Question number 2. How long does it take light from the sun to reach the Earth?
How specific are we going here? Is there, can
to
I
the
go-
minute.
To the minute?
To the minute.
Okay. Right. Shit.
Okay, Cody appears to have finished.
I don't remember if it's right or not.
I got 2 answers.
Are you done, Ralph?
I'm done.
Okay, can you flip yours over when you're done so that it's right in Sunsei's vision?
I'm
over
not
here?
changing my answer, but we do
I
have
believe you. I
different
trust
ones.
you, you're a beautiful man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Everyone, please flip your whiteboards over. The answer we are looking for
God
is
damn it.
8 minutes.
Oh, I wrote it really small.
8 minutes.
Let's go.
I meant 8 minutes, 12 seconds. I said 8 hours, 12 minutes.
I
8
said
hours,
7
12
minutes.
7. Ooh, 1 minute off. Fuck. And Juan, did you get 8
Couldn't
minutes
be
over
me.
there?
Yeah.
The studying pays off. Clear your boards off.
It is 12 seconds, right?
Hmm?
It is 12 seconds, right?
No, it's
I don't know.
Or we-
No, I think it's 8 minutes.
Oh,
I
yeah,
don't
we
remember,
just
though.
leave it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
regardless, you got the first measurement of time incorrect.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Question number 3. What is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way?
What?
The closest galaxy to the Milky Way.
I don't even know if this is an answer. About to look real dumb.
Yeah, same. I don't know anything.
Sunsei, you wrapped up?
Yeah.
Everyone flip your boards. The answer we are looking for is the Andromeda Galaxy. And we have our first clean sweep. Did you? I can't.
I said unless you count the Magellanic clouds.
These
Cody, shut up.
clarifications,
Oh
you
my
just
fucking
stick
God,
to your
dude.
first answer because I'm going to start docking you
I'm
points.
just making sure.
You're trying to cover too much.
This is like the only Elder Galaxy I know.
Clear your boards off, gentlemen.
So let's go.
Question the fourth. Finish this quote. I'm glad this guy works for NASA because... Who said that and what did they say? You just have to finish the quote, though. You don't have to say who said that, actually. Fake bonus point if you get who said it.
I'm drawing a blank.
I have no idea.
Left couch over here. Right couch. Juan, you got it? We're so far.
I'm gonna take an L. I'm just gonna have to take an L on it.
Write something. We have to get
All
an
right.
answer. If you no answer and you're out of the running. Yeah, that's pretty good. You got anything, Cody? All right.
All right, we're good.
All right. Flip those boards over. I'm sending his ass to the moon, and of course that
Right.
was Tian versus Tafokins.
Oh my
At
god.
I believe Apex 2015
I thought
or
Richard
so.
Gere said NASA slaps, so I tried.
Good call. Close enough. Ralph, I appreciate you recognizing what is happening. And the boards are clear. Question the fifth. In 2019, over 2 million Facebook accounts marked themselves as going to a raid on this unspecified location, which you have to name.
Can I get bonus points on this one? There
Fake
any
bonus points are always available on any question. For every bonus point you get, we'll give you an extra day of food on the GameCube controller in space.
Let's go.
Questions are almost in, waiting on Cody.
He's scribbling and shit. What are you drawing over there?
Nothing.
Flip it over.
I don't remember the name. It's someplace.
The answer, of course, Area
Yeah,
51.
I don't remember what it was called.
The ancient alien technology that everyone was seeking was not discovered at the end of the day, but hopefully we can
They ran it down
succeed in
Naruto
our
style.
mission to do that ourselves.
They had the arms behind and
Kyle's in
everything.
front. All the Kyle's in front.
Yeah.
Boards clear.
They can't stop all of us.
This one is really going to test your scientific acumen.
Don't fuck up, H-Box.
Trying not to, man.
Who was credited with the assist on Michael Jordan's game winner against the Monstars?
What?
Who done it? Stumped?
Wait.
Credited with the assist?
Credited with the assist.
I haven't fucking seen that movie in forever.
What is this?
Jordan was juiced up, but he didn't do it alone.
Yeah, it's pretty much this is... There's one probably very wrong answer.
Cody, answer in. Everyone else finished? Go ahead and flip those boards. The answer we are looking for is Bill Murray. It was Bill Murray,
okay. I thought
Michael
this was-
Jordan's golfing buddy.
I thought it was some. Wait, is this
Yeah.
some Space Jam stuff or?
I don't know. Space
I
Jam
don't
is
know.
from Space Jam.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wrote Bugs Bunny.
Yeah. I think we all wrote bugs.
Yeah.
The movie was
Not
goated.
bad.
We all wrote bugs. I'm
Need
pretty
that
sure.
to get to
Yeah.
the moon, though. Gotta know.
Board's clear. What is Mango's astrological sign?
Holy shit.
What is Mango's astrological sign?
Can you tell us his birthday?
I don't know his birthday.
Okay.
His
Who's-
birthday is-
Oh! Yo, I think I got this one, maybe.
Oh, okay.
All right. That's going to be
Right couch seems a bit stumped.
Zodiac, you said, right? Like Zodiac sign?
Yep.
Yeah.
Astrological zodiac.
Maybe? I don't know if I spelled that right, but... All right, we good?
Everyone good? Flip those boards. The answer we're looking for is Sagittarius.
Oh, my
And we
God.
do have a
Go,
winner.
baby.
Called ahead of time, called his
It was
shot.
because of his Mango's birthday bash. That's what I had. It was in December.
yeah,
That's
that
a good
makes
way to
sense.
do it.
Oh my god.
That's
Very
brain.
smart.
so smart.
I would have still got Capricorn. But that's some idiot.
That's worth a controller modder joining you on the GameCube controller
All
floating in
right,
space.
I get one at least.
There you go.
Someone to bitch at when it doesn't work.
Question 8. Now, of course, the preliminary findings that we had to do before launching this space program had to happen at an earlier summit. and I need you all to name the summit at which Hungrybox took that first step and attempted to launch a CRT into space for us.
It's kind of unfair if you think about it.
Yeah, it's a
He's
little-
allowed to.
yeah.
He seems
Juan,
to
you got
remember.
any hints for the
He
class?
does seem to remember.
So the first summit the summit that happened
Yeah,
at?
the number summit that was.
I got the freebie for someone.
2 answers are in.
Just YOLO, I guess. I don't know.
There's a lot to choose from at this point.
Oh, wait.
What if I got it wrong?
Wait.
That would be funny.
Changing my answer.
Wait, I'm changing mine too. It's not going to be any more correct, but
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Answers
Fucking
in?
Send it, yeah.
Flip those boards around. The answer we're looking for, Summit 11.
Oh,
I
Everyone else guessed 9.
I wrote 11 first, and then I switched to 9.
I did see you change that,
Oh,
and
man.
I was cringing.
It's because it was like the send off of the pandemic, just like
Yeah.
goodbye to these
I
memories.
did
Yeah.
remember that.
Yeah, it was actually, you had a beautiful speech during that ceremony.
I almost cried. Just kidding, I did cry.
Question 9. Boards clear. Did the moon landing happen? And you may elaborate on your answer. We encourage you to, in fact.
Where's Kyrie?
You don't have to elaborate in writing, but if you want to follow up afterward to plead your case.
Cody's like, did it happen?
I'm just confused now.
Digging
Wait,
into those memory banks.
Is this like some meme or
I-
something?
that's what I'm trying to
All
figure
right,
out.
I'm good. I'm ready.
Everyone ready?
Mandela effect.
Go ahead and flip those boards around. The answer is no. Of course the moon landing did not happen. Are you kidding me? You believe that?
Yeah, I did.
We send controllers to space, but we can't get things onto the moon yet. The answer is, I'm sorry, no. Everyone is incorrect on that one.
Really? You're going to
What?
take that one?
Oh, did I stutter?
Fucking guy, dude.
I'm just confused.
Where'd you get your degree from?
Yeah, like I said, you can plead your case if you want.
All right.
If you can convince me that the moon landing happened, I'll give you the point.
But don't you have to convince us that it didn't happen? You have 4 against 1 here.
That's true.
You have 4
You
against
think
1.
that just because you have 4 people?
What's your source?
I admitted it looked
What's your
fake.
source?
I admitted it looked fake.
What's your source?
Oh, he works there, though. Yeah, he works for the moon. He's one of those guys.
Come
who
on.
He works for
knows.
the moon?
He
How
was
can
there.
he work
He,
for the moon and not even ever have gone on the moon?
he was there when it didn't happen.
That feels a little weird.
Yeah.
Did the moon landing happen, Cody? And why? No points for anyone. I'm sorry. No one's taking it.
God
Kind of
damn.
messed up,
Wait.
man.
I know we haven't been to the moon since. Fun fact.
I'm going to take a point off for that one.
What the fuck?
You're down. You're down a point.
I'm down. Thank you, Juan.
All right,
I-
everyone.
I'm
You've
so
done so
confused.
well. We've come so far. Throughout this summit, we've had some fun side events, but in reality, those were training programs. We taught you how to shoot in the target test, and we taught you how to use different instruments with the strange controllers that were actually tools that you're going to be utilizing on the floating GameCube controller in space. So now, I have one final question to test whether you are truly ready to join the stars. You have 30 seconds. Explain to me why the Earth is round.
On the whiteboard, or are we talking?
You start with the whiteboard, and then you can follow up to convince me, as we did with the previous question. I need to be convinced. I truly do. Has anyone finished yet?
I mean, I could. Sure.
I mean, you got to start with something.
Oh, time's up, Juan.
Stop looking at me for approval.
This guy just keeps writing even after time's up. That's crazy.
He's probably writing a lot over there.
Oh, is it up? Thumbs up?
You writing a proof? All right, so I'll give you 10 more seconds. Anybody who
All
wants
right.
to write anything else? Everyone finished?
I'm good now.
I'm assuming we could just elaborate when we talk to you. Right?
Let's go ahead and flip those boards around. Let's see individual answers. Let's start off with Soonstay. What do you got for me?
The
Nice
Earth
one,
is
Suzanne.
round because your mom would have fallen off a flat one, or eaten it because it looks like food, probably.
Jesus.
I feel like that's pretty convincing evidence.
I think that's the best one.
The Earth must be round.
If it was flat, bro, it looks too much like a chip.
You're so mean.
I'm sorry. I
You
didn't mean
heard
to
him.
break it.
Why?
Minus 10 points.
I didn't.
Professor, it's minus 10 points.
You're not going to the GameCube control. You're not going.
Ralph, why is the Earth round?
I have no clue. I think it has something to do with its gravity or something. I'm not sure. I
The
feel
Earth's
like
not round. The Earth's not round. Cody, why is the Earth round?
Visibility stops after a certain distance on a clear day, no matter what the conditions are.
That's such a fucking Cody answer. Oh
Visibility
my God,
stops.
dude.
I don't want to answer.
Oh,
Everybody, Cody.
And it's a consistent place at any point on the Earth, so you can calculate about how long it is based on the distance, based on the angle, and you can calculate circumference from that pretty easily.
Okay,
You cannot
so
send this guy to the moon.
give me
You
give me
cannot
an
send him.
example of an experiment that you could conduct with this methodology.
I think people used to send ships over a certain distance and map out literally how far they went before they stopped losing visibility. And I don't remember. I think they would measure distance, and they would take into account like difference in like sunlight.
Yeah, but I think the thing with that is that there's
Or where
mountains
the sun
under
was.
the water, so the water kind of raises up at certain points.
Oh,
Once
you-
the ship crests that underwater mountain,
They've done on land too. You can do it on flat land.
do it on flat land too.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Wait,
And what implement would you use to test all the way?
You can use any tool you want.
Okay, give me an example of one.
You actually don't even need tools as long as you can just measure out the distance accurately.
What was it? Laser out the distance?
I said as long as you can measure the distance accurately, it doesn't
Measure
matter
the
what tool you
distance
use.
accuracy. So, like walking, you could measure the distance
Sure.
accurately. I'll hold on this one. This is a fairly convincing argument. Juan, why is the Earth round?
The Earth is not flat. The Earth is thick. And I will say that I thought it was round, as in why is it literally a sphere? I said gravity pulls dust and gas towards a center point, and after millions of years, rotational impacts of craters and meteorites cause it to be literally a sphere. But if you're asking me why the Earth is round and not flat, it's because you can tell. If I give you a meter stick right now,
Yeah.
and give Sora a meter stick during daytime, or some guy right now in the UK, when it's sunrise and sunset over there, and you measure those shadows, they're going to be different. If the Earth was flat, those shadows would be the same. This was proven like 2,000 years ago by some Greek guy.
This was all a trick to find out who the nerds were.
Thank you.
You guys
Thank you.
lose.
Thank
Ralph
you.
and Sunsei
Thank
win.
you. That's
I'm
what
just
I'm
happy-
That's my guy
I'm just
right
happy
there.
he lost.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm just happy he lost.
You
I'm
brought
down.
him down
That's
with
what
you.
you
I'm
Fellow
down.
nerds.
All right.
Fellow
I'm down.
nerds.
I'm going to the moon, baby, or the GameCube controller.
Listen, if anyone's going to represent us, I'd rather be them and not us.
Yeah, honestly, I can
They're
tell
cool.
you.
They have charisma.
They're cool.
They have charisma.
They're chads, you know?
This guy's going to pop off.
Let's go,
I don't know how
Ralph.
to talk to people.
Yeah,
Juan,
what
what do you
I'm
have to say?
good stuff, fellow cool guy.
That's what you get, one.
That's what you get for studying beforehand.
That's what you get. You were on your iPhone? Oh my
Yeah,
God.
You did the studying beforehand. You have how many, like 6 degrees or something like that?
I have one.
1 degree? It's a good one, though. It's a really good one.
Not good enough.
But you're a nerd at the end of the day, and we found that out. Let's go. Sports. Sports.
Sports. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone, for joining
Bullshit.
us for the Smash Summit Space Quiz.
Look who won soon.
5 out of 10, but Sunsei. Hey, you know what? Ralph gets half a dub, too. I'll
That's
give
what
Ralph
I'm
a little
saying.
bit on that one.
All right.
Wait,
Wait, I did that bad. Okay.
I don't think I only got 2 points.
Was there a prize for this?
I think I was pretty
Tell you
wrong.
what, I wasn't the one keeping track
Okay.
of score.
Wait,
All
who
right.
actually?
Yeah. You saw the green, right, over the name?
That's all that matters.
Yeah.
The green line is at the end of the
Thank you.
day.
Thank
the
you so
decider.
much.
I thought
Honestly.
Sensei won, yeah.
Yeah. That's what you get for studying on your phone, one. Yeah, take that headset off. Take that fucking headset off.
All right. Thanks, everyone, for joining us for the Smash Summit Space Quiz. That was a lot of fun.
Woo!
If you want to stick around,
Congrats, Sensei. You did a great job.
we'll have
Thank
more
you.
content
Thank you,
coming
Cody.
up in a bit.
You were great.
I'm
Right
going to
up
keep this
until you
polo.
were
This is a
nerd.
really nice polo. Soft.
Get me out of here.
Are we not cutting?
Oh, I don't.
Should I start singing? Yeah, I mean, it
Hell
looks
yeah,
like
we
we're
are.
still on.
I mean, I'll talk. You guys want to know how I did it?
Should we do karaoke?
Sports. I'll talk to them. We can talk about it.
Yeah, sure.
What kind of stuff can I bring to the GameCube controller? Just out of curiosity.
Well, you got a controller modder coming with you, too. I
Yep.
gave you that bonus.
Yeah.
So who's the controller modder that you would take with you to the GameCube controller?
Oh, that's a tough question. I can only bring a modder.
Yeah, unfortunately, because
Unfortunately,
the reason
yeah.
that you're going there is to be in a GameCube controller and use GameCube controllers. So
Oh God, this is a tough one.
Yeah. No boxes allowed.
Is there like is there a successful mission that has to occur on the GameCube controller? Is there a repair going on, or am I just going with whoever I think's chill?
It's just kind of cool to do. You know, we just thought we'd try it out. We don't really have a long-term plan for this.
Dude, I'd probably give Mango like a screwdriver and a 6-pack and be like, all right,
mean,
let's go. He's my modder now.
Papa John's will probably give us some food
Yeah.
for it, I would imagine.
Yeah, that's dope.
So you could probably eat some papadillas out there. That'd be nice.
Hell yeah.